Joy, Dora.
And I am Boots.
Today is a history day, a day to look back on our past.
Wow, I love history. I am so excited. Oh wait, what history are we gonna learn today?
Today, we will learn about the history of the Greek mathematics.
Did I just hear mathematics? Oh no, I don't like math.
I promise you, after our adventure, you will surely love math.
I just hope so.
Let's go!
Let's go! Wow! Where are we? Oh, wait. I know this place. It's a famous architecture in Greece. The Parthenon.
Yeah, you're right. You are really good in architecture.
Yes, it's my specialty.
So, you can tell me more about the Parthenon.
The Parthenon is a former temple in the Athenian Acropolis, Greece, dedicated to the goddess Athena, whom the people of Athens considered their patroness. Construction started in 447 BC when the Delian League was at the peak of its power. It was completed in 438 BC, although decoration of the building continued until 432 BC. It is the most important surviving building of classical Greece, generally considered the zenith of the Doric order. Its decorative sculptures are considered some of the high points of Greek art. The Parthenon is regarded as an enduring symbol of ancient Greece, democracy, and Western civilization, and one of the world's greatest cultural monuments.
Here, I have a book that contains knowledge about the history of Roman.
Oh no, what happened? Where is the book?
Someone took it. It's happened so fast.
Hi guys! Look what I found! Is this a book? Oh, is this a book? This is mine now!
Oh no, it's Swiper. Please, Swiper, give us our book.
No way! This book is mine now! If you want your book back, then catch me!
What shall we do now? We need the book, right? I want to learn more about the Greeks.
Yes, we will have it back. And I know someone who can help us. Map! Hello, we need your help. Map! Hello, we need your help. Map! Hello, we need your help.
I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map. I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map.
Hi, Dora. How can I help you?
Hi, Map. Swiper took our history of book of... We don't know. Where did he go?
Don't worry, I will surely find him because I'm the map, I'm the map. Oh, I found him. He's on the other side of the Parthenon. Oh no, it's a prohibited area. You need to pass the guards before you can enter the entrances. Here is the map. Just follow the arrows. That's all, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Map. You're a great help.
Let's go and get the book. Come on, vamonos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Who are you? What are you doing here? You are in the prohibited part of Parthenon. No one is allowed here.
I'm sorry, Mr. Guard. We are adventurers, and today we are supposed to study the history of the great mathematics. But someone took our book, and we know And we need to pass here to catch the swipers and get our book.
So, you are adventurers?
Yes!
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
How would I know that you are telling the truth? Oh, I have an idea. Why don't you answer my questions about the history of Greek mathematics?
Parthenon is a masterpiece of the symmetry and of proportion. This shows how brilliantly the Greek had mastered geometric principles. They saw mathematics as means to understand the divine. They achieved global perfection through deliberate departures from the local precisions. Minor geometric regularities will incorporate the architects, exynos and callicrates to enhance the beauty of the buildings. It is paradoxical that these modifications create the imperfections of the great geometric perfections. Even though they involve the deliberate departures from the strict regularities.
So, this is the question. How did the Greeks apply mathematics in creating the Parthenon?
Oh, I know one. Pythagoras! Pythagoras!
Plato.
Is it your final answer?
Wait, Dora, are you sure? Isn't Plato a philosopher?
Although, remember, today is a philosopher. Plato was also one of the ancient Greece's most important patrons of mathematics, so my final answer is Plato.
Amazing! You get the correct answer. Because of that, I will let you pass. Good luck! I hope you can recover the book.
Thank you so much, Mr. Guard.
One down, two more entrances before we reach Swiper's locations.
Yes!
Leave! You are not allowed here. This is Pythagoras' chamber. No one is allowed here.
I'm sorry, Mr. Guard. We are adventurers and today we're supposed to study the history of Greek mathematics. But someone took our book and we need to pass here to catch the swiper and get our book.
No, you are not allowed here. This is the sacred area to show respect to Pythagoras.
Why don't you ask us anything about Pythagoras for you to know that we respect him and we are deserving to step here? We really need to get our book, and the only way to get it is to by passing here.
Okay, if you can answer my questions, you are free to pass here.
Thank you so much, Mr. Guard.
Here is my first question. Pythagoras is often called as
The first true mathematician.
Why most of Pythagorean thoughts came from Philolaus?
It is because Pythagoras left no mathematics writing himself.
What is the thing that Pythagoras mainly remembered?
The Pythagorean theorem.
Amazing. You answered all the questions correctly. Because of that, I will let you pass. Go now, before I change my mind.
Thank you so much, Mr. Guard.
How did you know the question you said you don't like mathematics?
I just learned it from our class and I became curious and researched about them.
I told you mathematics is interesting. You just need to see the beautiful in it. Anyways, only one entrance left before we reach Swiper.
To some extent, however, the legend of the 6th century BCE mathematician Pythagoras of Samos has become synonymous with the birth of Greek mathematics. Indeed, he is believed to have coined both the words philosophy and mathematics. Pythagoras was perhaps the first to realize that a complete system of mathematics could be constructed where geometric elements corresponded with numbers. Pythagoras' theorem, or the Pythagorean theorem, is one of the best known of all mathematical theorems. but he remains a controversial figure, as we will see, and Greek mathematics was by no means limited to one man.
Amazing! You get the correct answer. Because of that, I will let you pass. Good luck! I hope you can recover the book.
Look, I think that's the last entrance. I'm sure Swiper's there with our book.
Yes, and we surely get it back from him.
Hello! Are you Dora and Boots? The adventurers who are trying to get their book back?
Yes, we are. How did you know?
The guard from the first entrance told me about you. You know, I actually saw Swiper earlier. He sneaked in here. I tried to catch him, but he is so fast, and I saw him a book.
Yes, you can ask us and we will answer it with our best.
Yes, of course. But I heard that other guard asked you some questions, and you were able to answer it. I also want to ask you some questions to know if you really know a lot about Greek mathematicians. Since we are here in Plato's chambers, I will ask you about him. Plato is best known for...
Pythagoras?
What are these Platonic solids?
The tetrahedron, octahedron, icosahedron, dodecahedron, and cube.
Wow, amazing. You really know a lot about Plato. You can pass. And I hope you will recover your book.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gord. Because you are smart, so give back our book now. You don't know what we can do to you, so just give it back.
Oh man!
Finally, the book is back to us.
We can now learn more about the Greek mathematics. I am so excited.
Yes, you're ready to learn.
Yes!
Okay, let's now learn the history of Greek mathematics.
Greek mathematics, Plato. Who is Plato? Plato is remembered today as a philosopher. Plato was also one of ancient Greece's most important patrons of mathematics. Inspired by Pythagoras, Plato founded his academy in Athens in 387 BCE. He was convinced that geometry was the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. The sign above the academy entrance read, "Let no one ignorance of geometry enter here." He played an important role in encouraging and inspiring Greek intellectuals to study mathematics as well as philosophy. His academy taught mathematics as a branch of philosophy, as Pythagoras had done, and the first 10 years of the 15-year course at the academy involved the study of science and mathematics, including plane and solid geometry, astronomy, and harmonics.
Greek mathematics. As the Greek Empire began to spread its sphere of influence into Asia Minor, Mesopotamia, and beyond, the Greeks were smart enough to adapt useful elements from the societies they conquered. This was as true of their mathematics as anything else, and they adopted elements of mathematics from both the Babylonians and the Egyptians. But they soon started to make important contributions in their own right, and for the first time, we can acknowledge contributions by individuals. By the Hellenistic period, the Greeks had presided over one of the most dramatic and important revolutions in mathematical thought of all time. Perhaps the most important single contributions of the Greeks, though and Pythagoras, Plato, and Aristotle were all influential in this respect, was the idea of proof and the deductive method of using logical steps to prove or disprove theorems from initial assumed axioms. Older cultures like the Egyptians and the Babylonians had relied on inductive reasoning, that is, using repeated observations to establish rules of thumb. It is this concept of proof that gives mathematics its power and ensures that proven theories are as true today as they were 2,000 years ago, and which laid the foundations for the systematic approach to mathematics of Euclid and those who came after him. Most of Greek mathematics was based on geometry. Thales, one of the 7 sages of ancient Greece who lived on the Ionian coast of Asia Minor in the first half of the 6th century BCE, is usually considered to have been the first to lay down guidelines for the abstract development of geometry, although what we know of his work now seems quite elementary. Thales established what has become known as Thales' theorem, whereby if a triangle is drawn within a circle with the long side as a diameter of the circle, then the opposite angle will always be a right angle.
Now, let's talk about this Greek mathematician that is often called the first true mathematician, Pythagoras of Samos. But although his contribution was clearly important, he nevertheless remains a controversial figure. He left no mathematical writings himself, and much of what we know about Pythagorean thought comes to us from the writings of Philolaus and other Pythagorean scholars. Indeed, it is by no means clear whether many, or indeed any, of the theorems ascribed to him were in fact solved by Pythagoras personally or by his follower. Pythagoras is mainly remembered for what has become known as Pythagoras' theorem, or the Pythagorean theorem, written as the equation a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Pythagoras established a school at Croton in southern Italy around 530 BCE, was the nucleus of a rather bizarre Pythagorean sect. The members were divided into 2, the mathematikoi, or learners, who extended and developed the more mathematical and scientific work that Pythagoras himself began, and second, the akosmatiko, or listeners, who focused on the more religious and ritualistic aspect of his teachings.
That's all for today. I hope you learned a lot from our adventure in Greece. See you on our next adventure.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Dora the Explorer!